How to update files in Google Drive without changing the link. So first, we'll have to open our browser. In here, we'll have to tap on this menu icon. After that, tap on the Drive option. Once you do that, it will automatically open your Google Drive. So in here, if you want to update files without changing the link, what you need to do is to hover your cursor on the file and then simply right-click on it. After that, on the pop-up menu, you will see this files information. Under that, tap on this Manage Versions. So in here, you will see the current version of that file. So if we want to update this one, what we need to do is to tap on this Upload New Version. After that, it will automatically open our desktop file. In here, we'll have to select the file and then simply tap on Open. After that, it will automatically upload the file here. Once the upload is done, it will automatically update the file that we have on our Google Drive. And then the people and the collaborators of that file, they will automatically see the updated version of that file even if they are using the old link. So that's how easy we can update files in Google Drive without changing the link. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bells so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.